Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center here on Lake Louisville. We got a brokerage boat here for you. This is a 2004 Sea Ray 340 Sundancer. Very popular model, big boat, great boat, easy to drive. This one has a twin 8.1 liter Merc cruisers in it with about 495 hours on a 2004 boat, so low hours. Super clean boat, as you can tell, as we're going to walk through it right here. It is V-drive shafts on it. As you can see, they did put in the sea deck. This was just done 2 years ago, so we got fresh sea deck on it, full camper canvas on it, so you use the boat year-round here in Texas. They do have the summer snap-on cockpit cover for the summertime. But let's walk inside and take a look. A lot of seating in the cockpit, and the upholstery is in really great shape. I don't see any rips or tears or stitching coming loose. There's no signs of suntan oil staining the seats anywhere. And boy, even in January, it's nice and cozy in here. This camper canvas on. A lot of room to move around in here. 2 years ago, they upgraded the stereo with JL speakers, wet sound amps. I got some massive cones here blasting music out while you're swimming in the water. They added a couple JL speakers up on the bow too, and they also put a new bow pad up there that's almost a full beam of the bow, so a lot of people can hang out there, and you got music up there too. And all this is stuff they've just done within the past 2 years, so this boat is turnkey ready for the next owner. Of course, you got a refrigerator and storage back here and a little sink, like most of the 340s have on it. Up on the helm, they did do some little different. They put a Lowrance HDS 10 GPS map on here, and also it's got a transducer, so you can see the depth and any fish, anything you want to do there too. Easy boat to drive. You just got the shifters on it. Again, 400 and about 95 hours. On the engines, it does have the generator on it, and there's 550 hours on the generator, so super low hours. Kept on a freshwater lake here on Lake Louisville in North Texas in a covered slip, so really babied. But great cockpit. It's in immaculate condition, and this boat is super clean. Owner has it cleaned every week. The bottom gets scrubbed every other month. All the services are up to date. Let's go down in the cabin. Same thing down below. This boat is super clean, nice. You got the snap in and out, umbrella runner covers. Big size fridge down here. You got a fridge outside. You got the normal stove, microwave, everything else in the boat. Looks like they added some full drapes to cover up the portholes, so you can open those up and get some more natural light in here if you want. Same thing with these round hatches. You could pull that out and get natural light in here. This mattress is kind of oversized. It kind of goes over the top of it, so a little bit bigger, very comfortable mattress up on the bow. This will be probably your main bed, bed number 1. There's another U-shaped seating in the back that can slide out and make into a berth with a privacy curtain there. That'd be bed number 2. They got a little drop down old style TV in the back, storage compartments everywhere. And then also, if somebody wanted to sleep, you can also pull out the sofa right here. It'll slide out, and that can be bed number 3. You want to eat down below, cockpit table or cabin table can go down here to eat. So super clean boat, immaculate owners. They've taken great care of this boat. If you want to see it, please give me a call. Robert Moody with MarineMax, 214-244-5535. Thank you.